have an egg surprise. I'm so excited. We have an egg surprise. It's olive burner. Okay, so one cutter with a big stir. Yes, just be recall. So guys, this is our winner. Our winner is our winner. Just let's go open it. The surprise egg. It's open. Wow, guys, you see that? How strong. We have a puppy. She have a one puppy. This one. So look at I puppy. Oh, forget the video and like, subscribe. Yes, it'll do. Okay, guys, sugar cover. Wow, we have a trans crunchy. It's so nice. Thank you, Dad. I'll do this. I will break that. Bye guys. Whoa. Like in my video.